morning. Welcome to Off-Road Fishing Fools. I am Landry. That's Matt way down there. He's getting some more shad for us. And we are here at Cimarron again. If you haven't checked out our first video, please go check it out. You'll know why we're here again. Something's messing with our bait. Hopefully it's not a turtle, because that's not what we want. Just let it eat it. Hopefully we got it. Reel it in. Put it on the stringer. If it's a kitty, if it's a gar, like last video, I'll let it go. Okay, I forgot my 10 snips. But in the meantime, we'll just sit here and wait. I should let you know if we catch a fish. We may have got him. Fish on. Matt! I got a giant fish, and my arm's getting tired. He's right here. This better not be a fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sweet. That's like that one last time.
Yeah. Oh, he's pretty hooked. He was hooked. Yeah. This is why we came back, folks. This is why. Right here. It's not a bad one. You could keep it if you want. So I guess I wasn't recording earlier, but I found some new spots I'm going to check out on Monday and Friday over at Cimarron River. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on Off-Road Fishing Fools. Goodbye.